The upcoming Apple Watch 8 Pro design and price leaks right before the Apple event. The Apple Watch 8 Pro and Apple Watch 8 are expected to arrive at the Apple event on September 7th. But case images shared by Weibo plus some real-life shorts from Sony Dixon may have confirmed the design of the Pro model early. Now materials around this watch will be made of a new titanium formulation, which according to leaks will be even stronger than the correct formulation used on the titanium watches for the Series 7. This watch is expected to get a new temperature sensor and new chipset, and the Apple Watch 8 Pro looks to be very differentiated from the standard models with a titanium casing and a large 1.99-inch display. Partly because this watch is supposed to be more durable and focus on durability, so with a flatter top design and a stronger titanium finish. This may finally have that full flat design, and we have a report from Mark Germain who has claimed for the first time this year, we could actually by getting an Apple Watch Pro first time that could replace the Apple Watch Edition. Germain says the Pro Watch is intended for heavy-duty athletes like mountain bikers, hikers, and marathon runners, a segment that Apple doesn't cater for specifically. Moving on now to the side view, you can really see the thickness of this watch as well, which adds up considering that we've heard the battery is getting bigger, which is amazing. Another tweet says that the Series 8 will come in 41 and 45mm sizing option, but that like the blue and green are going away, and it's gonna be like black, white, and a new version of red that's coming. The expectation is that Apple will stick to its current pricing for the Apple Watch, with the base model starting at $399. Pricing for different case materials like stainless steel or titanium will drive the price higher, presumably once again matching the current $699 and $799 price points, and Apple Watch 8 Pro pricing could start at $899 to stay above even the titanium version. But this is speculation. Apple is going to introduce a new low-power mode where they allow more functions to work while battery life is preserved. There are a couple of health features Apple is going to introduce in upcoming Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 for storage option, we're going to get a choice between 32 or 64 gigabytes option, so you can put like your Apple Music on it. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.